This truly is spectacular because it was just ridiculously hot. A bit disappointing, to be honest. Good morning from Ayutthaya again. So we're gonna do like a bit of a tour around some temples and some ruins, but we're gonna start at the floating market first. Now, this city has a lot of history, so before we get into the floating market, let me just give you a little bit of info of what this place is. Before Bangkok, Ayutthaya was the capital of Siam, founded in 1350 and later destroyed in 1767. Its ruins are now one of Thailand's most important historic sites. So just before we enter, you can get elephant rides. I'm not quite sure where they go, because if we look to the left here, this is the area of the floating market. We are in, so it was 200 Thai baht for the entrance fee, and you get a ticket and a little sticker. You get a ticket to ride on these boats, which I assume is them there, but I got a feeling that I'm way too early because as you can see, nothing's open. So this is going to be fun. Let's get a smoothie. Okay, this is good. This was 50 Thai baht, so it's about what, £1.20? Anyway, look at these views. Look at this. It's quite a big place, so that boat ticket might come in handy later. So I've come for a chicken pad krapao. It is my favourite Thai meal. It just tastes so good, and it comes quickly, it's fast, it's easy, and it's just nice. And sometimes you don't get the egg, but this one you get the egg, so that's a winner. I did also get an iced milk. Now, it's nice, but it's really sweet. In Thailand, they seem to sweeten everything. Not everything, but a lot of stuff. But it does taste good. It is nice. So I did have a walk around, and not much was open and not much more did open, and to be quite honest with you, a lot of the stuff was the same, so I kind of left early, I guess. Whatever that says there, there's this huge temple thing just here, so we're going to go and have a look at that. Now, surprisingly, I think that's the first time I've come across a tourist attraction where it's not one price for Thai people and another price, obviously more expensive, for tourists. It was 40 baht to get in, so that's literally a quid. But just look at this. And again, I've said it before, steps in this heat is horrendous. My phone's just practically turned itself off as well because it's so hot. And all I've done is record like a few video clips. Maybe like, I don't know, 20 seconds. Oh my god. Probably shouldn't say that up here, but anyway. Wow, look at this view. This is incredible. There's a light there as well, so I bet it looks cool when it's lit up at night as well. Just look at this view. And you can literally walk all the way around it up here as well. So you can literally see everywhere around the city. That one looks like it's falling over. We went up that side and we're coming down this side, but there's an entrance this way, so let's go have a look up here. Hello, how are you?
Good.
Good. Are you Thai?
Yep.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Where are you from?
I'm from England.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Do you know England?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you like football?
Where you like?
Huh?
Where you like to come to Thailand?
Yeah, I've been many times. I love Thailand. But sometimes it's a little bit too hot.
Yeah. Normal.
Wow, look at this. Oh, is that like a wishing?
Really deep.
Oh, yeah.
You are filming a video?
Yeah, say hello. Oh, that's cool. Right, it's so hot. Need to find a drink. Alright, nice to meet you, buddy.
See ya.
Nice to meet you. See you later. Oh, that's a long way down. Hello, everyone. Okay, so I'm back in the hotel now because it is really hot. It's 35 degrees, right, and it's now midday. And just take a look at my t-shirt. That is all sweat. So I'm gonna get a shower and like try and cool down. And then just chill out for a bit. I've got loads of drinks to drink. And then see what happens after that. But my God, when you're just out and about and there's no clouds in the sky or anything like that, it's just pure sun. It's so lethal. Welcome back. This is day number 2. I had to cut yesterday short because it was just ridiculously hot. It got to about 37 degrees. And when there's no wind and it's just pure sun and you're walking around these kind of places, it gets really intense. So we've come to a street called Chilken Alley, and there is loads of stuff just literally just down this street. So we're going to take a look at that, starting off with this, just chilling out in the shade for a minute. So this one was a lot cheaper than the other one. This was just 80 baht for a foreigner, but if you're Thai, it's 10 baht. But to be quite honest with you, this looks way more impressive. It feels a lot bigger in size, and there's kind of like bigger structures. I mean, well, just look. And we have found the steps. Looks like you can go in that doorway there as well, so we'll definitely check that out. Okay, here we go. Let's have a look inside. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, so we can go in this doorway here. Let's go and have a look. Well, it's very dark. Do not enter. I don't know what's down there. Lots of steps. It is a shame that you can't go down places like this. That would be quite cool to see. Oh wow. I don't know how much of this is coming on the camera, but we've got some text here. I'll take a photo and then overlay it if anyone wants to see. I'll tell you what, it's so nice and cool in here. There's a little breeze just coming through the gaps. Let's see if we've got a good view of the city. I don't think we're too high up, to be honest, but I mean, it's a nice view from up here. That was the entrance where we came in over there. I suppose we are quite high up. And then here's the other way out. Is this place worth a visit? 100%. It's really nice, it's massive. There's not even that many people here either. I think it's about 10 AM as well at the moment, so it might be quite early, I'm not sure, but is it worth a visit? I mean, just look how beautiful it is. And next to the one that we've just been in, there is another one, but I don't want to turn this into like a tour of every temple ruin in Thailand. So just to let you know, there's one next door. There is quite a lot of things to see here. I'm not going to get around them all in 2 days, so I apologise for that. But there is 2 more things that I want to show you. So I was looking on Google Maps, and just next to those 2 temple ruins, there is like this park thing, which looks really peaceful. But there's some guys doing some building work just behind these trees. It's a bit unfortunate. But yeah, I just thought I'd come here and just show you a nice little park area. Now, back home, when you look at some water in a lake and it's a funny colour, you think it's dirty, but a lot of them seem to be this green colour. No idea what that is for, but yeah, just look at this. You'd think it would be nice and peaceful without all the if the guys were not working on that, whatever they're building. But yeah, it's pretty cool. We've got some people coming up on bikes just further ahead. But yeah, pretty cool. So I'm just coming to the edge of the park now. That's just to my left here. But there's yet another one. They're just everywhere. There's so many here. I don't think you can get in that one though, because there's a gate back there that was locked. But it's just incredible. There's just so many. Anyway, the last thing that I want to show you is, and this is why we came here. Now I'm going to leave the video here. So join me in the next one where we go to Lot Buri and hopefully we see some monkeys. So hit that subscribe button and I'll see you there.